Namaste, hi, how are you? So we are actually doing a collab for the day because I was like कि आज collab कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे, but we're doing it with a doctor that I have met very recently, and he seems like a very nice person. I like the vibe that I get here because I never planned to do my procedure with him even first, but now uh, I go with vibes. I don't go with words. I don't go with emails. I don't go with, WhatsApp forwards. I just go with the vibes. So I would like you all to meet him. His name is Dr. Sumit Agrawal. Namaste, sir.
Yeah, hello, hello, Payal. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Yeah,
And I think हम लोग कुछ हमारे neck के लिए कर रहे हैं आज.
doing a Profilo treatment for your neck,
Yeah.
tightening, which will induce collagen synthesis and give more hydration and shine to your skin.
थैंक यू सर बिकॉज मैंने प्रोफाइलो किया है काफ़ी इन माई years of trying to look young but it would be very nice आपके थ्रू करना बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट आप जैसे सर्जन्स जो इतने डिफिकल्ट सर्जरीज करते हैं बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज स्कैर्ड टू गेट नियर इन्वेजिव जोन बट नॉन इन्वेजिव में भी अभी आप मतलब अपना टाइम निकाल के कर रहे हैं विच इज़ वेरी नाइस बिकॉज actors like us need to have established doctors like you getting into the non-invasive zone also.
Because non-invasive is the way to come in future with the minimal invasive procedures and minimal downtime. We are able to restore the beauty and slow down the aging process.
Yes sir because एक बार invasive भी आप करते हैं which is great because you are an expert in that but I think अभी हम थोड़ा non-invasive पे concentrate करेंगे फिर धीरे धीरे as age goes by I know I am in safe hands then.
Sure.
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
take good care of you.
Thank you. This is the kit and ये कौन सा manufacturer और ये सब होता है? It is Alma, IBSA.
IBSA.
You were telling me something that day that this is a collagen based क्या
It's
कहते
a
हैं?
hyaluronic acid, sodium salt with.
Difference between this and some other skin booster का कुछ आप कह रहे थे ना? This is a hydrating collagen and they are hydrating
They are
fillers.
pure hydrating
Fillers.
Yeah. Profilo, it's basically a bioremodeling dermal filler,
Okay.
which induces collagen synthesis and helps in skin firming.
Okay.
Along with that, it gives hydrating action to the overlying skin also.
So it is better than the other hydrating boosters.
Yeah, this is more advanced technology than the hydrating HA skin boosters because it induces collagen synthesis, which helps in firming of the skin apart from giving hydrating action. So it is a more advanced technology than skin booster only.
Okay, sir. Linking क्या होता है?
Basically, the hyaluronic acid is the active molecule in this product. So depending upon the cross-linking, the property of the product is decided. The higher the cross-linking, the more volumization effect it will give and longer it will be lasting. And if it is lesser cross-linking, then the product will give more of hydrating action rather than volume. So Profilo has got the advantages of mix of both cross-linking and non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid, which gives us the dual action of collagen synthesis and hydrating action. So that's why this product is much superior to any other skin booster injections.
Perfect, and it's expensive also.
Yes.
So this is the room. Okay. Okay, so we'll put the Prilox right now. I have come, Sangram, to Sumitji's clinic. It is in. It is just opposite Versova police station. Oh my god, near our house, and I'm just doing Profilo right now. And आप सर को मिलना जब आप वापस आते हो. Okay, take care. Thank you. This is my song. कैलाश खेर का आप देखोगे ना पहचान ही नहीं पाओगे ये गाने में. And I didn't know how to dance, but I still danced. See, look at him. He looks like such a masoom bacha. हाँ, ये कैलाश खेर है. He's such a masoom bacha.
ये नेक पे से सुई हटा दीजिए।
ये हाँ ये नहीं
इसको
चाहिए,
नहीं-
ये नहीं चाहिए, it's too thing. We have just done the Profilo, and the Profilo is supposed to have some bumps on your neck, but it'll settle in like 2 hours or something. And thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for coming and getting the procedure done
Yeah.
from us.
And,
It was really nice experience.
Yes, and I'll get my husband soon because he's the person who's actually the क्या कहते हैं money bank. So I'll
Sure.
hopefully get him soon. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. Take care.